Hello folks, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing very good and having a wonderful day. In today's topic, I am going to discuss on how to become a copywriter. Please watch the full video. If you have any queries, please drop your queries in the comments section. Becoming a copywriter is a rewarding journey that requires a unique blend of creativity, strategic thinking, and exceptional writing skills. In today's digital age, where content is king, the demand for skilled copywriters continues to rise. Whether you aspire to work for advertising agencies, digital marketing firms, or as a freelance writer, mastering the art of copywriting can open doors to exciting career opportunities. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the essential steps and strategies to kickstart your copywriting career and thrive in the competitive landscape of 2024. Before diving into the world of copywriting, it's crucial to grasp the core responsibilities and expectations associated with the role. Copywriters are tasked with creating persuasive and engaging content that resonates with target audiences and drives desired actions. They craft compelling headlines, taglines, website copy, social media posts, email campaigns, and more to communicate brand messages effectively. A successful copywriter must possess a deep understanding of marketing principles, consumer psychology, and storytelling techniques. Guide to becoming a copywriter in 2024. Copywriting is a dynamic field that combines creativity, strategy, and persuasiveness to produce content that engages audiences and drives conversions. As businesses increasingly rely on content marketing to connect with consumers, demand for skilled copywriters continues to grow. If you possess excellent written communication skills and enjoy crafting compelling narratives, becoming a copywriter might be the right career choice for you. This essay aims to outline the steps required to build a successful career as a copywriter in 2024. We will cover topics ranging from honing your core competencies to networking and finding employment opportunities. Step 1. Develop core competencies. To excel as a copywriter, you must develop several fundamental skills. These include writing ability. Improving your writing skills is paramount. Practice writing regularly, experiment with different styles, and seek feedback from peers and mentors. Research capabilities. Learn how to conduct thorough research to gather accurate and reliable information for your content. Grammar and style. Familiarize yourself with standard grammatical rules and style guides to maintain consistency and clarity in your writing. Attention to detail. Pay close attention to details to avoid mistakes and ensure accuracy in your work. Empathy. Understanding your target audience's perspective is crucial to creating relatable and resonant content. Adaptability. Stay updated with current trends and adapt your writing style accordingly. Expand your knowledge base. As a copywriter, you need to stay informed about various subjects and industries. Reading widely, attending workshops, and participating in conferences are great ways to expand your knowledge base. Some popular resources for copywriters include books. On Writing Well by William Zinsser, Everybody Writes by Ann Handley, and Enchantment by Guy Kawasaki are recommended reads. Podcasts. Check out the Writer Files, Copy Blogger FM, and the Content Strategy Experts podcasts. Online courses. In Canadian School. Salmons. Udemy offers numerous affordable copywriting courses taught by experts. Build a portfolio. Create a diverse portfolio featuring your best works to showcase your talents and attract potential clients. Consider starting with free projects, guest blogging, or contributing to publications. Once you gain confidence and experience, offer paid services to establish credibility. Networking. Networking is essential for connecting with professionals in the industry, sharing ideas, and seeking advice. Join local meetups, attend events, and engage with fellow writers on social media platforms like Twitter and LinkedIn. Participate in online communities like Reddit's R Copywriting subreddit to share tips and discuss challenges with others. Find employment opportunities. There are multiple avenues for finding copywriting jobs. Explore freelancing websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Guru. Apply directly to agencies and companies offering copywriting positions. Alternatively, consider working as an in-house writer for a business looking to strengthen its content creation efforts. Continuous learning. Stay up to date with the latest developments in the world of copywriting. Follow thought leaders, read blogs, listen to podcasts, and participate in discussions to remain ahead of the curve. Regularly update your portfolio and refine your skills to keep pace with evolving industry standards. By following these steps, you can embark on a fulfilling journey toward becoming a skilled copywriter in 2024. Remember to practice patience, persistence, and flexibility throughout your endeavors. Good luck. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Share with friends to expand knowledge. Take care.